Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation Wall. Right, we are continuing on 30 days Java programming challenge. Right, this is the day 6. Right, whoever did not get a chance to participate in previous just go through it and solve those programs. Right, if you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Right, to go, right, so that you will not miss out the correct timings. Right, every day 2 p.m. it will start. Right, challenge will start every day 2 p.m. Right, please join and participate here. Okay, we'll quickly jump into today's program. Find the sum of digits until it becomes a single digit. Right, it is a little moderate question. Right, find the sum of digits until it becomes a single digit. Right, suppose input is 987. We have to sum 9 plus 8 plus 7. Right, what is the output? 24. Still it is a greater than 10. Right, greater than 10. So again we have to sum it. 2 plus 4 6. It is a less than 10. Right, until less than 10. 2 digit means right, it should become single digit until we have to sum it until single digit. It is a less than 10, so we can return this output. Right, you got it right. 987. First we have to submit each digit. 9 plus 8 plus 7, output is 24. Still it is a 2 digit number. Until it becomes single digit we have to add it. 2 plus 4 6. Right, I think you got the right. What is the program? Right, everyone please start the program. Right, please start and paste in the comment section your answers. There might be a different approaches. Right, please everyone paste your solutions so that everyone will get to know what are the different approaches. Then we will decide which one is the best one. Right, then we'll start. Right, so far we have completed 5 days challenges. Right, now just to start the 6th day challenge. Everyone please start day 6 challenge. Okay, fine. I am creating one reusable method which should return sum. Right, something I am creating method name is find sum until single digit, then enter the number. Okay, first we'll check whether this number is less than or equal to no greater than or equal to 10. Right, number should be greater than or equal to 10. Right, then only we can enter into it. Otherwise return the whatever number we are getting. Return whatever number we are getting. If it is a 4 5 less until 9, directly we can return that is the sum. Right, if it is greater than 10 or greater than or equal to 10, then only we have to do it. Again what we have to do, I will take a one sum variable. Again internally we need a one more loop. Right, I will calculate while number greater than 0. Right, first we have to find the last digit. Right, we have to get one by one digit. Right, then first get the last digit of it. How to get number percentile 10? Then you will get the last digit. Right, we will get the last digit. Then we have to sum it. Right, sum equal to sum plus remainder. Right, remainder. Then again what we have to do, number equal to last digit we have to remove it, right? One by one digit we have to get and then sum it. Greater than number, submit until we have. Now once the loop is done, we will get the sum. Again assign that sum to, right, assign sum to number. Right, we'll see how it will work. I will explain that. Now we'll use the scanner class. Let's see, equal to new scanner system.in. Then system.in, just enter number. Then integer number equal to something sc dot, right, sc dot, right, next int. Then call the, directly I will print. What we have to go, find method, call the find sum until digits, pass the number whatever input we are taking to this. Okay, now, right, what is the best practice here? We have to keep it as a try with the resource statement, right, so that it will close automatically. Try with the resource statement, right? This is called try with resource. We don't require any, right, catch block or finally block to close manually, right? It will close automatically with the try with the resource statement, right? That is fine. Now just run it, run a Java application, enter number, right? What we will enter, suppose just we can enter any number, right? Suppose 1 2, what is the output? Should be 3, right? Suppose again I will run. If I enter 7, what is the output? 7. Suppose we can check boundaries also. 10, suppose. What is the 10? 1. Right. Suppose if I enter 100, right, 1 only, right, sum. Suppose if we take 2 3 4, what should be the sum? Right, 5 plus 4 9, right? It is working perfectly. How it is working? Right, first what we are doing, if it is greater than equal to 10, then only go inside, otherwise just return whatever number we are entered, just return it. Next what we are doing, one more inner while loop, right? Here what we are doing, suppose I am passing 1 2 3, okay? First we will get the last digit, right, a reminder. How to get the last digit number, percentile 10, we will get here 3. Right, now sum is initially 0, 0 plus 3, it will become sum 3. Right, now divided by 10, what it will become? Number 1 2 3 will become 1 2, right? We have to sum all the digits. Now again n is, number is greater than, because what is the number? 12, right? Number is 12 greater than 0. Then again get the last one. What is the last one? 2. Right, previously what is the sum? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Then again divided by 10, what it will become? 1, right? It is greater than 0, right? Then again it will become 1, right? What is the remainder? Right, last digit 1. Then 5 plus 1, 6, right? There is nothing is to it, it will become 0. It is greater than 0, no. What is the sum now? Right, 2 3 4, right? What is the sum? 2 3, we have entered 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 is 6, right? It is greater than 10, no. What it will become? It will return 6. If it is it becomes, suppose if we take a 987, right? Suppose if we take a 987, right? Now in the first iteration what it will become, right? Suppose number is 987. First iteration what it will do, it will take the 7, right? Last one, sum equal to 7, then it will become number 98. Again it will 98 is greater than 0, so 98, right? Then it will take a 8 last digit. Previous sum is 7, 7 plus 8, right? 15. Then number become 9, right? Again 9 greater than 0, 9, right? Remainder is 9. Now 7 plus 8 plus 9, what is 15 plus 9, 24, right? Sum become 24. Again 24 is greater than 10, right? 24 is greater than 10. Again we have to sum it. It is a 2 digit. Again it will come 24, right? 24 will come, right? 24 will come again, and it will again sum it. 2 plus 4, 6, right? 6 is greater than 10, no, it will become output 6, right? Until 6 single digit it will become, it will work, right? I think everyone completed. Please paste. If you are completed, please paste it. If you are unable to, right, do it, just practice it one more time, right? Whoever participated, thanks for all of them, right? Whoever did not get a chance, right, just go through it and practice it. Please learn, improve your coding knowledge, right? Please subscribe to the channel, enable notification, please share to your friends also, so that they will also participate, right? Thanks for everyone participating.